starting with a 32-ounce plump from Steel Magnolia. I have it sanded and prepped and ready to go. I'm just going to take this ruler and a marking pencil and just kind of find the center of the cup. I now have 3 marks on my cup. The middle one is just to mark the center, and the top and bottom is where I marked to where I want the glitter to go. So I'm just going to paint and place glitter up into those marks. I'm starting with kind of a mustard yellow acrylic paint, and then I'm going to blend that down in to the top and the bottom with a dark maroon. All of the products I'm using today are from the August designer box. If you guys ever want any more information about those, join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group with the link in the description. We're going to just start adding a little bit of epoxy to start the epoxy method, and we're going to glitter right in the center of that mustard yellow color. Now that you have your color Bonfire pretty concentrated there right in the middle, we're just going to slightly tap our jar and hold our cup at an angle, and concentrating still in the middle, we're just going to let a few shards of that glitter just cascade down our cup. Now we're going to take our second color. This color is called Flannel, and we're just going to go on the top and bottom of our paint pretty heavy-handedly, and we're just going to make sure we have full coverage before we start blending down into the color Bonfire. Now we're going to start blending those two colors together just by tapping your glitter jar and holding your cup at an angle, going back and forth with both colors until you get the blend that you desire. Now that your cup is all smooth and cured, we're going to add our vinyl. I decided to do 2 1/4 inch strips. So make sure you cut your top at about 2 1/4 inches, and the bottom you're actually going to cut a little larger to wrap around the bottom edge. And just cut a circle to cover those messy edges. Apply the second strip to the top of the cup and then use a razor blade and cut away the excess. On the second pattern of vinyl, I just decided to take 3 of the stripes so I could place it right below the leaves on the top and right above the leaf pattern on the bottom. To implement our third glitter color, I am just taking 1/4 inch double-sided sticky tape and placing it above and below the last pattern vinyl we just placed. Then taking our color foliage, and we're just going to sprinkle it on that tape, then gently rub it in, and then brush away the excess with a soft bristle brush. I'm going to take a little bit of quick coat on my finger here, and I'm just going to seal that double-sided sticky tape with the glitter to make sure it doesn't move. So I'm just going to add a little bit of quick coat to my finger and tap it on. It's now time to add our super cute Hello Fall decal. This is available in my shop. The link will be in the description. And then we're going to go ahead and take this over and add our final coat. And here is our tumbler all finished. I think it just turned out so freaking pretty. And that sparkle in the center, ugh, it's killing me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description and look for me on all other social media platforms.